it'll just become a cat and mouse sort of game.
Oh, that's gone a mile! That has gone out of the ballpark. That's huge.
And that is the biggest six tonight by a long, long way. The umps just need to get another ball out of the bag because I reckon that's just down the road. Have a look at that. On the roof or even over it. Huge. Oh, yeah, that's right. That is big.
We won't be able to measure that.
That's gone way out of the ballpark. That is huge.
He's already in the top 5 of the biggest bashes.
Well, it's just the bat speed, isn't it? He just really come through quick with the bat, used the pace of the delivery, and helped it on its way. It's a bit of an understatement. He's absolutely clubbed it with high bat speed.
Hey, Cameron White will be thinking, what are we rushing through for? What are we rushing those first 5? We've got to make sure we're on the right side of the ledger.
Another ball dance, and that's gone out of the park as well. Grab another ball.
It's a no ball and they're over the limit now. The Hurricanes, so if it rained out and he got to the end of the 2 balls to go, they would win the Hurricanes.
They would, but I don't think it's going to. We want him to stay out there. Well, he's going to get a Guernsey with the New York Yankees, doesn't he, Travis Bird? He is seeing him like an absolute football. Where can you bowl to him?
The Babe would be happy with that.
That is just brilliant hitting. Those last 2 shots, as good as it gets. I mean, to hit a chest-high pull toss that cleanly, you are seeing the ball well.
Yeah, you're absolutely in the zone. Not great bowling by Clint Mackay, to be fair, but still punish him, isn't he?
Well, I think it's a little bit greasy, the ball. What's he got now?
Another one, and that's gone even further. 3 in a row.
That is unbelievable here tonight. Can you believe it? The dot ball 4-4-6-6. Fastest ever 50 in the Big Bash. Travis Bird take the bow.
Wow, well, he's definitely going to Guernsey with the New York Yankees. The same ball, same shot. Same result. So he's teeing him up nicely, Clinton Mackay for Travis Bird, but wow, isn't he hitting him?
Oh, the Blundstone Arena, the house that Bert built. That is just sensational hitting. And all of a sudden, what are the tactics going to be? Because even if they lose another wicket, they're still ahead of the required run rate.
He looks calm and composed. 22 deliveries. 51 not out, strike rate 230. Ever. Look at that. Luke Wright, yep, he thought he had a pretty good night. And Travis Bird said, yeah, mate, I'm having a better one.
There's no way the ball can be wet. It hasn't hit the grass. He's bowled full tosses. He's hit him onto the pavement.
Gone into the road, into the gutter.
This is landing in a pool at the back.
Well, the Derwent's over that way.